Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Roblox how to script. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and be sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Learning how to script in Roblox using Lua is one of the best ways to create powerful games, mechanics and custom features. Roblox scripting uses a programming language called Lua. You use it inside Roblox Studio to control how things behave in the game, like doors opening, text teleporting or sport tracking. To do it, first you need to install the Roblox Studio. To do it, head over and open up your browser and then simply type in roblox.com. Then be sure to be logged into your account. Then once logged into your account, simply tap on the Create tab on the top of the options, and then here simply tap on Start Creating. Then what you need to do is download and install Roblox Studio and log in with your Roblox account. The next step is to create a new project. Choose a template, example Blueprint or Obby. The workspace will open. Now you're ready to script. Then step 3 is to write your first script. Select internet object, like choose script in the script editor, and then click play or run to see in the output window. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did and comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.